Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you the newest Premiere Pro REMIX 2 that they have added in their latest 22.1 update. And frankly, I can't wait to show you what you can do with it. So let's go and check it out. Okay, guys, inside Premiere Pro, I have already prepared my video and also a audio track as well. But as you can see, the audio track length doesn't match with the video track length. And basically what this REMIX 2 does for you is to shorten the audio track automatically, which means that you don't have to adjust the audio track by doing cuts here and there and there, and also going to effects and, for example, using the constant power effect by putting it into the cuts and try to make the audio better. No, you don't have to do all these things now, because as I said, when you're using the REMIX 2, it will be automatically done for you. So to find the REMIX 2, you either can go and click on this icon there, hold on it, and you can access it from over there by clicking on the REMIX 2. The other way to do it is go on Window, click on it and go down to Essential Sounds. After that, I'm gonna select the audio track, and from there I'm gonna go to Music. From here you can click on Duration, and if you go down to Target Duration, you can see that you can set up the length of the remix. Also, you can do this by going down to the timeline. I'm just gonna close the Essential Sound panel. So if you go down to the timeline, go and select the REMIX 2, go to the audio track, select it and drag it to the point where the video finished. And like that, now you've got a remix. It's super easy and simple. Also, I'm going to select the audio track, and now you can see that when I click on Customize, you can customize the segments. What that means? So if I go to right, you're going to have more cuts onto the audio track. And if I go to the left, you're going to have less segments. Also, you've got the variation option where you can focus onto the other parts of the music. But in that case, I'm going to leave it to 5. I'm just going to return the segments to 5. And before I play the audio track, I just want to let you know that this track has a vocals. So it's really interesting to see if this remix will manage with vocals. So let's hear it.
But the one who took my sins, I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll.
And to be honest, that's pretty impressive. And as you can hear, even with the vocals, you can't say that this is a remix version of this audio track. It sounds like the original audio track, and this is amazing. And for the end of this video, I'm gonna let you enjoy this 59-second video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me.